create one project. Okay, project when you run this command, everything inside the project structure will be created inside this. Okay, I will show you once. Npx create React app. Testing. I've shared installation steps with you on chat window. If in case sometime you face any issue, you can follow that. So we have got this error. So whenever you are creating a project, your project name should be, the folder name should be in this lowercase. Okay, otherwise you get this error. Testing, or in testing, T was in capital. There is another way of installing, but it takes more time. Can separately install the React DOM and React script also. That also has a set of steps. But with the help of this npx create React app, you can, all of the packages are installed in one and all. You get all of the packages inside 1, 2. Do anyone know that which engine is run in the, which engine processes your JavaScript syntax in Chrome browser?
I think V8. I think
V8. Yes, right. And for our Mozilla Firefox,
Monkey. I think.
yes, right.
SpiderMonkey.
SpiderMonkey. Yes.
Yes.
The installation part was going. I thought we should discuss something.
Okay, no problem.
Because while you are doing in the console, there are a lot of things to, you can also see how the execution is working. I will also be discussing that part afterwards. When we go inside this, when we are executing, how we can see the next command, how we can see it is executing. We can see all of that stuff also in the next latter part.
Yes, okay.
Do anyone already know about how we check how the program is executing inside the console?
No, I'm not aware about that.
Okay, you are aware about this errors that come here, right?
Yes.
The console errors only. Okay, fine.
Actually, I don't know completely JavaScript, so that's why how it will work. So
we'll be discussing that part.
Okay, no problem.
And